Hi friends, how are you all? This is Vijay Kumar, Maths Expert. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 1, problem number 2. The data is given by, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450. Number of children is given by 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using appropriate method. So for this data we are following three methods, that is direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now let us discuss first method, that is direct mean method. The data already I written here, daily wages in rupees, number of workers. Daily wages in rupees we are taking as a class interval, number of workers we are taking as a frequency. So direct mean method, what is the formula? Mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. Sigma fi xi. Fi means already we know, that is frequencies, and xi. What is xi? Xi means class marks. So how we have to find the class mark? L plus U by 2. So here, what is L and U? So L means lower limit and U means upper limit. That average we need to take. So here first we need to take the box, that is the class mark. So first you have to write it, class mark. Xi equal L plus U by 2. And last column is Fi Xi. Now first column I am taking class mark again. 200 to 250, class mark is lower limit. Lower limit is 200 plus upper limit is 250 by 2. That equal 200 plus 250. That value we are getting 450. So 450 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 2s are 1 remainder, 2 5s are. Means it is 225. That value we got it 225. Next class interval, that is 250 to 300. So in this lower limit is 250 plus upper limit is 300 by 2. 200 plus 350, that value we are getting as 550 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are. Means we are getting as 275. So class mark we got it here 275. Next one is 300 to 350 class interval. So lower limit is 300 plus upper limit is 350 by 2. 300 plus 350, 650 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 5s are. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, 2 5s are. Means 325. Next class, that is 350 to 400 class interval. Lower limit is 350 plus upper limit is 400 by 2. 350 plus 400 is, that is 750 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are. Means 375. Now last class interval, that is 400 to 450 class interval. Lower limit is 400 plus upper limit is 450 by 2. 400 plus 450, 850. So 850 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 5s are. Means that is 425. So we got it here. All class marks we got it. So class marks we got now here. Now we need to multiply frequency and class mark. So first frequency is 12 and class mark is 225. So 12 into 225, that value we are getting 2700. Next class interval 250 to 300, class interval frequency is 14, class mark is 275. 14 into 275, 3850. 3850. Next 300 to 350 class interval, Fi is 8 and Xi is 325. So 8 into 325, that equal 2600. Next class interval 350 to 400, number of workers means it is the frequency. Frequency is 6 and class mark is 375. 6 into 375, 2250. That value we got it 2250. Last class 400 to 450 class interval, frequency is 10 and class mark is 425. 10 into 425, 4250. Now you can write the formula mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So before that sigma fi sum we need to take. So here you have to find add the all sums all fi and x's we need to add, and sigma fi frequencies also we need to add. Sigma fi means we need to add all frequencies. So here first I'm taking sigma fi, I'm taking 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10. So this all added means we are getting 50. Now sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi means 2700 plus 3850 plus 2600 plus 2250 plus 4250. This all we are adding means we are getting 15,650. Now we can write that sigma fi xi equal 15,650, sigma fi equal 50. Now we have to apply in this formula. So mean x bar equals sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So sigma fi xi means 15,650 by sigma fi value is 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 5 1 are means 1 remainder, 5 3 are 15 means 313 we got it. So direct mean method in mean x bar equal 313. This is the direct mean. So in direct mean we used the formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Next we will discuss next method, that is assumed mean method. Now we are following assumed mean method. So assumed mean method in what is the formula? Mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi is the formula. So fi means we know that is frequencies. A, what is A? A means assumed value or assumed mean. A means assumed value or assumed mean. So where we are assuming in the class mark, any particular class interval class mark we need to assume. Next di. What is di? Di means xi minus a. So in a class interval to particular assumed value we are subtracting means we are getting di value. So first we need to take the box. Class mark xi equal L plus u by 2. Already we know first class mark how we are getting? So the average of lower limit and upper limit we are taking now. So lower limit 200 to 250 class interval, lower limit is 200 plus upper limit is 250 by 2. 200 plus 250, 450 by 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Means here we are getting 225 we are getting 225. Next class interval 250 to 300 class interval we are following one more method. So that first we need to find h value. H, what is h? Here h is height of the class or size of the class. So how we have to find the height of the class or size of the class? So any two successive class intervals difference we need to take either lower limits or upper limits. So the definition is the difference between any two successive class intervals lower limits or upper limits is called height of the class. So here once you have to see here these two class intervals I am taking lower limits only 300 minus 250 we are getting 50. This two class interval to 252 minus 200 that is 50. Either you can take the upper limits also you have to take. So we are getting 50 we are getting the height of the class. Now here first class mark 2 you can add height of the class. We are getting next class 225 plus 50 275. Now next class how we are getting this class mark 2 you can add the height of the class 275 plus 50 that value we are getting 325. 325 plus 50 375. 375 plus 50 425. So we got it here class marks we got it now. Now we need to find a DI. DI means xi minus a. Taking a is 225. So DI means xi minus a. Xi means 225 minus assumed value also we are taking 225. 225 minus 225 that value is 0. Next class interval 250 to 300 class interval xi is 275 minus a is 225. 275 minus 225 that value we are getting 50. 300 to 350 class interval class mark is 325. So xi is 325 minus a is 225. So 325 minus 225 that value we are getting 100. Next 350 to 400 class interval class mark is 375 xi is 375 minus a value is 225. So 375 minus 225 that value we are getting 150. 400 to 450 this is the last class interval class mark is 425 minus a value is 225. 425 minus 225 is we are getting 200. So we are getting 200. Now we need to take Fi and Di. Fi and Di means so product of frequency and deviation. So first class interval 12 into 0 0. 12 into 0 0. Next class 14 into 50. 14 into 50 that value is 700. Next 300 to 350 class interval Fi is 8 into 100 800. Next class 350 to 400 class interval Fi is 6 and Di is 150. 6 into 150 that is 900. Next class 10 Fi is the 10 and Di is the 200. 10 into 200 that is 2000. Now you can find Fi Di. Fi Di means this all we need to add. Means 0 plus 700 plus 800 plus 900 plus 2000. That value we are getting 4400 we are getting. Now here we need to add this frequencies also. Sigma Fi equal 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10. That value we are getting 50. Now we can write the formula. Mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi is the formula. So before that what is sigma Fi Di? So sigma Fi Di is 4400, sigma Fi is 50 and a equal what we assumed here 225 we assumed. So 225. Now you can apply this formula. Mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi is the formula. A means 225 plus Fi Di. Fi Di value we got it 4400 by sigma Fi value we got here 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 table time cancelling, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, 4 remained, 5 8s are 40. Means 225 plus 88. 225 plus 88 is 313. So mean x bar equal 313. In assumed mean method also we got it the mean value 313. Now next method we will go. Now we are following step deviation method. For same data only I am taking daily wages in rupees, number of workers. So step deviation method, what is the formula? Mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h is the formula. So a means here assumed value. Where we are assuming that a value, in class mark we are assuming ui. So ui equal xi minus a by h is the formula. So h, what is h? The difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits or upper limits we need to take. So h value we are getting, I am taking class intervals, successive class intervals I am taking 350 and this 300. 350 minus 300, that value we are getting 15. Otherwise you can take the upper limits also. 300 minus 250 we are getting 50. So however we are getting h value is 50. H value means that is height of the class or size of the class. The difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits or upper limits we need to take. Now we need to make the box. Class mark xi equal L plus u by 2. So how we are getting the class mark? The average of lower limit and upper limit. That average we need to take. Next, ui equal xi minus a by h. Next one is fi ui. So class mark we are finding here. So xi means L plus u by 2. L value is 200 plus 250 by 2. 200 plus 250, 450 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are and 2 5s are. Means we are getting 225. Next class interval. So here we know h value. So h value we got it now here 15. So next class mark how we are getting? This first class mark to we are adding height of the class, means we are getting the next class mark. 225 plus 50, 275. 275 plus 50, 325. 325 plus 50, 375. 375 plus 50, 425. So we got it here. Class marks we got it. Now we need to find ui. So what is ui? Xi minus a by h. So xi means that particular class interval, class mark. Next a. What is a? In this class mark we need to assume any one value. So first class mark only I am assuming. So the value 225 xi minus 225 by h value is 50. 225 minus 225, that equal 0 by 50. 0 by 50 value is 0. Next class interval 250 to 300 class interval. Class mark is 275. xi is 275 minus a is 225 by 50. 275 minus 225, that value 50 by 50. 50 ones are 50 ones are, that equal 1. Next 300 to 350 class interval. Class mark is 325 minus 225 by 50. 325 minus 225, that value we are getting 100 by 50. 50 ones are 50 twos are. So here ui value we got it 2. Next 350 to 400 class interval. Class mark is 375 minus a value is 225 by 50. 375 minus 225, that value we are getting 150 by 50. 50 ones are 53 are. So ui equal, we got it here 3. Next last class interval, xi equal 425 minus a equal 225 by 50. That value 425 minus 300, 225, that equal 200 by 50. 50 ones are 54s are. That value we got it 4. Now we need to take Fi and Ui. That product we need to take. Fi means here 12 into 0. 12 into 0, 0. Next 14 into 1, 14. 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 3, 18. 10 into 4, 40. Now here we need to find sigma Fi Ui. So Fi Ui means, sigma Fi Ui means 0 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 40. This total we are adding means we are getting 88. Next here, sigma Fi also you can add. Sigma Fi equal 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10. That value we are getting 50. So sigma Fi Ui equal 88, sigma Fi equal 50, and A equal 225. We assumed that value only. H equal 50. Now we can write the formula. Mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. So A value how much here? 225 plus sigma Fi Ui. Sigma Fi Ui value 88 by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi value we got it here 50 into H. H value also we got 50. 50 ones are 50 ones are. Means 225 plus 88. 225 plus 88, 313. So therefore mean x bar equal 313. So here we got it direct to mean we got it 313. Assumed mean also we got it 313. Step deviation method also we got it 313. So any method we are following, in these three methods, any method also we are getting same answer. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator and like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your near and dears. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.